This is Freddie of Freddie King's Home Decor, and I am just super excited today because we are new homeowners. We just returned from closing on our new home, and I'm getting ready to go in for the first time since we became homeowners. And I just want to give you a small preview of the home that we purchased. So if you see behind me, you can see the door, and I'm going to try my best to keep this camera situated. Our new home. I've been off the internet or off YouTube for a while in a transitional location, looking for a new home, and today I found it. This is our new home that we're moving into, and we're just super excited to turn this space into our forever home. I'm just gonna do a quick tour right quick just to show you some of the unique features. This is going to be the computer room. As you can see, it has the plantation shutters. We love that. It has wood beams here and the light fixture. I've already put some of the cleaning supplies in here, so pay no attention to this stuff on the floor. I really like these wooden doors. Awesome. I'll show you the bathroom real quick. I'm just doing a real quick tour. Copper tub with a bubble chandelier. I'm not sure where the lights are for the bubble chandelier, but hopefully I can get those turned on. This actually is a makeup station. If I open this, and it has a light feature in there. I don't know how well you can see that, but it does have a light feature that lights up. And I'm just showing you real quick the bathroom. That bubble chandelier does light up. And here we have the master shower. If we move on from here, here is the closet. But before I go to the closet, let me see if I can get the... Nope. That's not the bubble chandelier, but I'll show you that later. Maybe I can get it turned on over here. So, here we go. Now you see the bubble chandelier. And of course the other lights do come on. So we're just getting the keys. So nothing has been cleaned yet. Here's the master closet with the light fixture as well. Again, just giving you a real quick tour. Over the next year, I'll be producing videos and content to turn this room or this home into our sanctuary. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious. So I'll be able to do a seating area plus a bedroom, the normal bedroom furniture. But check this out. We have the outdoor area that we can go to. I'm going to walk on down so you can see it hopefully a little better. And again, here are the plantation shutters. But we have the outdoor pool and spa, summer kitchen. I'm not really a pool person, but it's nice to have. Love these wood beams and the wood pillars. This home has a Greek-inspired theme from the original owners. Some of it I'll keep, some of it I'll change. Walking out here, this is going to be the formal sitting area. You can see the double doors, which is really like 4 glass windows. Look at the detail up here of the woodwork, the crown molding and the trim. That is all the way around. I gotta replace 1 or 2 lights. And look at the ceiling for the entry. That beautiful piece over here is a travertine fountain. Again, the original owners had a Greek theme to this home. When you light it up, you can play the, you can have the water going and put the lights on. It's very soothing. I'll keep it for a while. At first I thought I was going to maybe move it, but it's growing on me. I like it. Here we have garage is there, 4-car garage. You can see the door is open. Straight ahead is the laundry room. I won't bore you with that. Up these stairs is the media room or bonus room. I'll let you see that in a second. This is the kitchen. So I'm showing you everything in its natural form. These items here are things I put here to start getting ready to clean the home and start bringing our things in. But you can see the kitchen in its original state. We're going to change a couple of things in here. That actually is the pantry. It has the older style doors. We're going to change a couple of things there. This is the breakfast nook area. So what I do like about this home is it has several ways you can get out to the outside space. And again, my first time in here recording, so bear with me. I'm trying to get lights on and make sure I'm cutting the right lights on, and so far I'm not doing a good job. This is the family room or living room. Okay, I'm starting to get lights now. As you can see, it has a stone fireplace, and through that window you can see the back of the outdoor kitchen. Love this, absolutely adore this. I'm looking forward to doing something unique with that. The arch windows. And again, you get a better idea or a better view of the spa and some of the backyard. It's on an acre of land, showing you some of the shrubs. It's a lemon tree right around the corner on the side of the house. I'm looking forward to that. So let me give you a look from this view to show you how this space look. Is just one big open floor plan, so I'm looking forward to decorating the space. This is a single bathroom that actually goes out to the pool. We're going to change and revamp some things in there, and when I do, I will show you the before and after. Bedroom, hand scraped rosewood floors. I love that. Something that the original owners put in. So we'll definitely be keeping those. Take you this way. And I'm going to another hallway that has 2 more bedrooms and another bathroom. So here is a bedroom. So just real simple, so need to change some things out and make it our own. And this is the bathroom. This bathroom is going to be totally redone. And then here is the last bedroom that's on this side of the house. Outside, and just kind of giving you a one over the world of the home. There's one more space that I'm going to show you, and then we are going to move on from there. So I'm walking through the kitchen, and I'm going to take you upstairs. We really wanted a ranch style home. This home was perfect because everything is on one floor except for what would have been a 5th bedroom or a media room, which is what we're going to use this room for. Very large, very spacious. Let me get the lights if I can. There we go. So as you can see, this is a big room. And I'm just kind of pivoting to let you see how big the space is. So even if I go to the rear of the room, I can pivot this way, and you can see how deep the room is. So this is going to be the media room. We, starting tomorrow, and let me show you the floors. These wood floors and the wood beams and the trim is beautiful. We love it. So starting, not tomorrow, in 2 days, we'll have a team of people here in the house where we'll start making this house our forever home. I'll be posting videos and content. Again, this is the laundry room. It's some updates that we're going to do in here. Putting more shelving. Painting. All of that. It does have the sink, so that's nice. It has the area for the laundry basket, so that's nice. Oops. This door is open. This is the 4-car garage. Well, that really doesn't give me much light, and I'm not going to open those, but this is the 4-car garage. But let me close the door because the door was open. Okay, so I appreciate you logging in and watching this quick video of our new home tour. I guess I didn't take you out to, or didn't go out to, show you one of my favorite areas. So I'm going through the breakfast nook area so you can see these are the doors that you come through the front of the home. And then if I swing around this way, those double doors go to the master. And if I swing on around this way, you can see I'm still under this entirely covered area. Those double doors go to the fireplace room, and that's the breakfast nook area that I just came out of that door. So we have plenty of space out here. Summer kitchen with the grill and whatever other accessories we want to have. And somewhere over here there is, it's all the way down on the end. Not sure if you can see it. I'll walk a little bit closer. We're testing out the pool here, but it just has the outdoor shower nozzle. Here we go. There's the lemon tree. There we go. And actually, yes, those are lemons, because there is another fruit tree out here. So I'm just making sure, because I've only been on that side of the property once, that I said the right thing. And as you can see, here's the property. It goes all the way back to the fence. the iron fence back there, and some of these trees and shrubs we'll cut down. We'll do whatever. We're not really sure yet what we're going to do, but starting tomorrow, just making sure doors are locked as I'm out here. Starting tomorrow, we're going to start making this our forever home. You can see the rock features for the pool when it's all lit up, and it has the waterfall effect. It's really nice, really beautiful. Lots of land, lots of trees. Not sure we're going to keep all of that, but we're thankful, we're grateful. Okay, so as I said, thank you very much for logging on to my channel to see this quick tour, what I hope was a quick tour of our new home. You'll see me turning or defining all of the spaces over the next couple of weeks, leading up to however long it takes me. But we have some new pieces that are coming that have already been ordered for the home. And I'll be doing everything from changing paint colors, changing light fixtures, getting the cabinetry updated, to define all of the spaces and make this house our new home. Thanks again for logging in. This is Freddie King with Freddie King's Home Decor, and I hope that you will join me again real soon. Bye-bye.